We have one more confirmed case. This is a case of a person who again travelled from Maharashtra into Goa. We have 2 cured patients today, so that brings our total number of active cases to 27. We sent 1,620 samples in the last 24 hours. We have received 1,227 test reports till now, till 6:30. Reports awaited are 826. Suspects under hospital isolation are 7. Today, 116 people have come by flight on 3 flights, and the total number of people who are under institutional quarantine are 292.
Hi, good evening. And so far we have sent 43 trains out of Goa. 2 trains left today for Bihar. With the in first train 1,474 passengers left, and in second train 1,081. Then so far in the state, since 29th April 2020, 87,009 people have left, and only 9,402 people have entered Goa. It includes road, train, flights. I can give some segregation also by bus. Around about 452 people came inside, and 10,933 people have left Goa. And there are private vehicles also. 6,408 people have come in, and 11,441 people have left. Total number of FIRs also, today I will share this data, is 786 FIRs have been booked since the lockdown began. Total arrest made is 1,432, and total vehicle seized is 487. New guidelines have come, and we feel that most of the things as they are today in Goa would continue. The night curfew period has been relaxed a bit. It has now been from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. Goa will stick to that, and we will try to enforce this curfew at border check post also, to ensure that our team can handle the people in as lawful manner, because now this curfew has to be in force. Rest nothing more has changed in the guidelines. That's all. Thank you.
New guidelines will be prepared.
After 8 guidelines will be new.
No, as per the what we have today, we feel our SOP, current existing SOP, is in compliance with the guidelines issued by the MHA. So we currently don't see the need, but we are discussing it.
Just to add on, after the 8th of June, from the 8th of June onwards, as you are aware, the guidelines have certain relaxations. Those, of course, will be definitely something on which the state government will take a call.
So from tomorrow only about night curfew relaxation. Okay. After 8, ma'am, government is planning to going to check the patient, check the people who are coming from the neighboring state. It will continue.
This, as we said right now, 8th, whatever guidelines are there to be applied from the 8th, these are under discussion, because we still have time to assess the situation and take a call. So all the various relaxations or all the various guidelines which need to be in place will be assessed in a totality, and there will be definitely clarity before the 8th.
सर अभी ये सर ये 4th स्पेस खत्म हो रहा है अभी कल, उसके लिए फिक्स आया तो उसके लिए क्या ये क्या क्या फैसिलिटी रहेगा गोवा में, और सेकेंड वन होटल्स रेस्टोरेंट ये कल से स्टार्ट हो जाएगा ना 8?
जैसा कि मैं जस्ट क्लैरिफाइड रिगार्डिंग द होटल्स रेस्टोरेंट, दैट वुड बी स्टार्टिंग एज पर द नेशनल गाइडलाइंस फ्रॉम द 8th. Before that, Ministry of Family Health and Family Welfare will issue a detailed guidelines. After examining that guidelines, state will take its own call at that time. But currently, from tomorrow, as I said, the curfew timings have changed. That is the major change. Which
only for curfew timing change रहेगा, और कुछ डेवलप ऐसा कुछ नहीं, changes कुछ नहीं रहेगा.
This timing is also for liquor shop,
yeah. No, as the curfew timings are being implemented now, the same these will be implemented. Like regarding liquor shop etc. The excise commissioner has issued certain orders, and he'll take a look at these new guidelines, and he'll issue, if required, new orders.
So फिफ्थ फेस में आया तो कुछ बॉर्डर पे कुछ कंसेक्शन रिलैक्सेशन कुछ मिलेगा?
वही हमने अभी समझाया है, यानी कि जो गाइडलाइन है आपने पढ़ा है तो आपको पता चलेगा कि जो चेंजेस है वो जून 8 से ही लागू होगा, तो उससे पहले हम लोग भी उसके बारे में प्रोटोकॉल्स जितना भी डिसीजंस होना है ले लेंगे। अभी फिलहाल जो इमीडिएटली कल से शुरू हो रहा है एक ही चेंज है, वो जैसे सेक्रेटरी रेवेन्यू और आईपी ने ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन किया है, वो तो सिर्फ कर्फ्यू के टाइम का चेंज है।
एक एग्जिट परमिट भी कुछ ये किया ना?
हाँ, वो तो ऑलरेडी कलेक्टर्स ने इशू किया है ऑर्डर। एग्जिट परमिट अब जरूरी नहीं है, जो लोग जाना चाहते हैं अगर उस स्टेट का कुछ प्रोटोकॉल है जहाँ पे लोग जा रहे हैं उसका पालन करना है, हमारी तरफ से कोई क्लियरेंस की जरूरत नहीं है। जो लोगों को जाना, जिन लोगों को जाना है वे लोग जा सकते हैं।
फिर कल से कोई बॉर्डर से गोवा का लोग आया तो वो लोगों का पहले कैसे रेगुलर टेस्टिंग था ना?
कोई चेंज प्रोटोकॉल में नहीं है, जैसे कल था आज था वैसे कल भी होगा।
नेक्स्ट एसओपी आने तक ऐसा ही चलेगा?
बिल्कुल।
You said 87,000 people left Goa. So how many have registered?
No, as per I'll share with you how we prepared the list. We provided initially we ran a food helpline. We distributed ration. We were receiving call from other sources. Then we collected and collated all of this data and make a consolidated list. As per that list, our estimation was that about 1.4 lakh people or the migrant were from outside state, and they would be willing at a certain time to go back. Out of them, about 87,000 people have left. This is our estimation, and even today the train has gone, and as based on need, once we are seeing that there are people, we are sending the trains, and we are planning the train, and we are contacted to the concerned state, and based on that only the journey is being planned.
How many flights will be coming in this week? You know, any idea?
So there are flights planned, but the flight timings are changing too frequently, so it will not be nice to put any advance figure, and so that we will see, because these are special flights, and based on many permutation combination, they are changing their timings.
वंदे भारत कुछ फ्लाइट आने का है ना?
Tomorrow from Dubai, no? Please have how many passengers are?
Tomorrow one flight from Italy and Vande Bharat Dubai, it may come, and number we have not yet received the exact list of passengers who are coming in the flight. So based on that, then once we get it, then only we can update it.
And any idea about the next flight from Dubai?
No, as I said that on flights, there was another flight which was supposed to come today, but it didn't come. So that's why I'm saying on flight which are coming from abroad, there are too many things, and the permissions, MEA permission from central government, their protocols at from the originating states. So these things are known at the time when we can plan, and based on that only, once we have the clearance, then we plan for their transport and testing facilities.
सर लेबर का वही बहुत कमी पड़ रहा है ऐसा लग रहा है गोवा में, क्योंकि सम ऑफ मेयर हैज रिक्वेस्टेड ऑन पीपल, वो बोल रहे हैं कि हम लोगों को लेबर चाहिए, लेबर गोवा में नहीं मिल रहा है। वो
Regarding shortage of labor, if there is a certain instance, I need to check and get back on that particular issue which you are highlighting. But I still feel that, as I said, from this list, many people and monsoon is about to begin, so this is a lean phase in India. In most of these physical manual labor, wherever they are engaged. So we believe that we will see how the situation develop, and the market and the economy will itself take care of these things.